you know I need your body as much as you need mine. Don't you change a thing for me, baby. I like you fine the way you are. Just let me do some nestling too. And when feeling
So cold. Nasa beach tayo guys, pero super lamig. It's been down in Turkey. Nakikita niyo sa harapan yan yung EGNC, papuntang Mediterranean. Ang diretso po niyan ay ang Greece. So malamig guys, it's so cold. So ano masasabi natin? 27, 28, 29, Turkey!
The taste of the food that we had. Plain this one with chocolate. So that you will have exposure.
Masarap. It tastes like tablea, but it's good. What can you say, madam?
Good. But I like the most the dessert, the kundol. Looks like kuchinta. Very good.
This is good, masarap. This one. Pero sobrang tamis. Sobrang tamis. Sa labas, sobrang lamig. Dito, sobrang tamis.
Ayan, meron ka na exposure sa vlog. Inis na ako dito sa mga plato killer na to ha. Kumakabantay sa plato. Tumayo lang ako na wala ng plato.
Tabayo ako ganyan. Oh, oh.
At ang tingin nila sa mga plato, parang ilan lang ba plato nila?
Bilang pa yung plato dito.
Bye! Good night, good night. Maaga na naman sila. Sila private early.
Interview. Interview. What can you say about Turkey?
Turkey, it's an amazing country. It's a mixture of Europe and Asia. Fantastic.
And are you enjoying your vacation so
Yes,
far
so
in
far,
Turkey?
I'm thoroughly enjoying the vacation. And I look forward to the next days.
What are the next days?
I don't know. Andre, mo magsama yun.